I haven't eaten today. This is my first meal of the day. Wag niyo akong tularan. Ang Tagalog ba ng clinic ay pinindot? Oo. I do believe as a Connie girl. Hi guys. I'm eating Paris. I was craving for Paris since like yesterday, so I ordered today. Have you guys eaten? Pa-shoutout po ate. Shoutout to Laura Jane. What's up? Kumakain rin ba kayo? You are so pretty. Thank you so much. Naka-makeup po kasi ako ngayon. Galing po akong work. Medyo haggard na nga po eh. Sobrang antok ako, para akong nahilo ako guys. As in, I'm honestly not feeling well. So weird. I'm eating Paris. New show? No, I came from promo for Time to Dance. What's your blush on? My blush is Spotlight Cosmetics and House Labs. Mabait ba in person si Blythe? Yes, of course. Can you greet my Tita A happy birthday? Edna. Happy birthday po, Tita Edna. Have a really, really good birthday. I miss Kenji and Sanya. I miss Kenji and Sanya. Man. Is that your own condo? No. This is my house po. Lipstick. So, my lip liner is Makeup Forever. Kaso nag-close down na yung Makeup Forever. My lip liner is Makeup Forever. Tapos, lip gloss is Dior. House tour. Nako, magulo bahay namin. Baka pagalitan ako ng nanay ko pag ipakita ko sa inyo yung bahay namin. Napakagulo. How much po dance class mo? Wala po akong... Ay, sorry. What do you mean? Like, ako yung magtuturo? Hindi po ako nagtuturo eh. But I usually dance in GC Studios in Cubao. Kyren, as in Kai and Jaren, tama ba? Do you drive yourself to work? No. Hindi pa po ako marunong mag-drive. After school, after the SEM, like by April, plano ko na. Actually, marunong ako mag-drive. Wala lang akong lisensya and hindi ko na siya napapractice. So, parang takot pa ako. Te, nagsuschool ka pa. Bakit ka galit? Bakit may galit na emojis? Yes, I'm still in school, guys. Actually, after eating, may gagawa na ako ng... May e-edit na ako for a group work. So, quick live lang to. I'm just live because sabi ko, kailangan ko mas maging active. Love the piercings. Thank you. I have 7. 7 here. 2 here. How old are you? Can you guys guess how old I am? Who's your favorite international singer? Justin Bieber and Chris Brown. 21. 22. Yes, I'm 22. 25. 30. Guys, lang 30? I mean, that's a little too much. What's your next project po? Wala pa as of now. You look matured po. Really? 30? But like 30? To ba yan? Pabati naman po sa akin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Yes, I'm 22, guys. I'm 22. So, galing mo talaga mag-dance. Thank you so much. 25 max. Okay, I get it. I could be pretty mature. Guys, have you eaten? Ano po course nyo? Communication Arts. You look like your age. Thank you so much. I like your voice. Bagay sa radio, parang si DJ Chacha. You know what, guys? Gusto ko mag-start ng podcast. Like, I guested kanina sa Radio FM ni DJ Jaiho. And like, sabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko mag-start ng podcast. Parang ang saya. As a yapper. Teka, puro taba yung pares ko. Nakakaiyak. Ba't ganun? Uy. Ba't ganun yung pares ko? Nakakalungkot. I'm eating pares. Strict ba parents mo, especially when you go out? No. Hindi strict parents ko. Actually, they're super lenient. Strict lang siguro sila sa... San ba? Sa pagtatapos ko ngayon sa school. Gusto lang talaga nila ako makapagtapos. Pinaka-close ko sa showbiz. Zijan Aranilla, Miggy Jimenez, and Tommy Alejandrino. And then sa girls, Cyril Manabat, Daniela Straner. Hi Jala, I like you. I like you too. Thank you. Do you have sports? If you consider dance a sport, but I used to play a lot of sports. Ano hair color mo? So my hair color, it is, it actually is not colored. It was bleached and then toned. So like there's no color. Sorry, yung source of light ko is my laptop. So nagdidim siya bigla. Kanino niyo po naman yung pagsasayaw? My mom actually was a dancer, but I really learned through Kuya Arjo. Si Kuya Arjo yung napanood ko na. What's your pet peeve? Oh my God. Ang dami. Dami kong pet peeve. Ano ulam mo po? Pares. Beef pares. Sobrang sarap. Have you guys eaten? Or are you guys eating? Let's eat. We're going back. Like, one of my biggest pet peeves, siguro, would be, like, unprofessional people talaga. As in, man. Like, you could have an ugly personality in front of me. Basta, syempre, wala ka lang gagawin sa akin. Pero kung pangit ugali mo, at wala ka namang ginawa sa akin, then wala akong problema sa'yo. Bahala ka dyan, pangit ugali mo. But, if you are freaking unprofessional at work, tas pangit pa ugali mo, that I will not tolerate. Yun yung pet peeve ko. Unprofessional siguro sa work. And mayabang people. That is my pet peeve. And siguro yung mga taong like competitive for like sa isa't isa. Gets ba? Like, you could be competitive, pero not to the point na it's like roars. Like, it's always war. Especially if kaibigan mo. Lagi po kitang inaabangan sa ASAP. Salamat po. You have hair care. Hair care ko, patay na po talaga buhok ko. Nakaplansya lang yan ngayon, guys. So, wala akong hair care. Siguro hair care at most would be like, I do leave, like, oh my God, I don't even know what that's called. Yung parang, oh my gosh, parang hair mask. Hair mask! There. That's the name. Angas mo sumayaw. Pwede pa turo. Hindi ako magaling magturo sumayaw eh. Sayaw na lang tayo together. Let us learn together. Ilang piercings mo? 7. Here. That is 7. How did you become artista? It was Sir Deo and Renal. Actually, really miss Sir Deo. Actually, Deo and Renal invited me to senior high. He offered senior high. Ayun. And ASAP. High or low porosity? I don't know nga eh. How do you know ba? Mabilis ka ba tumaba? Yo. Yes. Because I also have PCOS. So parang, ang hirap. Ang bilis ko tumaba, ang hirap pumayat. Tapos yung jeans pa namin, big boned kami. So ayun, naghalo-halo ang lahat. What is up? Usual activity during Sunday. Well, usually ASAP. And then, nagkikita kami like with my family. As much as possible, we set time talaga na may lunch or dinner. All together. Yun. Nagkita ba kayo ni Sheena sa studio before ka nagka-pamilya chat? How did you guys know? Yeah, I saw Sheena kanina. Ang galing naman. One of the manifestations ng PCOS is thin hair and hair fall. Yes, grabe yung hair fall ko as in malala. Do you live with your parents pa? Yes, I live with my parents pa, guys. Gusto ko din po sumayaw kasi wala pa po akong lakas ng loob. Honestly, I feel like just try kasi baka mas masakit mag-regret na hindi mo tinry kaysa sa nag-try ka and you failed. I would rather regret failing than not trying at all. That is my motto in life. Wow! Oh, sumali ka ng dance competition ba? Anong competition yun? What competition did you join? Because girly here also. I know. Damn. It's so sad, but I hope you're doing well. I hope you are figuring it out. I am in the process of figuring it out. It's just been a challenge because it's so hard. Really? Anong dance competition sinalihan mo? Kamusta si Min as an ate? She is super chill. She plans a lot of things. Like, magaling siya magplano ng mga bagay-bagay. Ayun. Matagal ba magkaroon ng menstruation? Hindi naman. Ako, kasi regular ako. But, siguro, it manifests when I get my period. I have really bad dysmenorrhea. Sobrang sakit. The other day, TMI, pero kasi I'm on my period now, so parang sobrang sakit nung puson ko nung isang araw. I was crying. It was so bad. Friend mo rin sila Niana off-cam. Of course, si Niana, when she was starting, kaibigan ko na si Niana. As in, baby pa yan. Inaalagaan ko na yan. Kaya, love na love ko yung baby girl na yan. Niana, BJ of G-Force. Eight months without mens? I don't think that's normal. But I don't know what that is. I visited na an OB, pero I don't have meds yet. Because I still wanna try to organically, like, fix it muna. yung daughter ko, masakit po siya and matagal magkaroon. Pa-check mo na po siya. Actually, if she's 21, pa-check nyo na po talaga siya. I just had myself checked last year, 22. Paano ka pumayat? Super payat mo na. Kailangan ko pa pumayat eh. Hindi pa po to sapat. Wow. Pero, siguro dahil sa stress and sa work, ay hindi ko, kung kailan ako hindi nagtatry pumayat, doon po ako pumayat, which is, I don't know if it's a good thing. Like, kung kailan ako hindi nagda-diet ng malala. Ewan. I think yun din, that's another effect of PCOS na parang weight gain, tas weight loss, tas basta, ang hirap. Ulam reveal po. Pares. My nails. It's Russian Manicure by Ashley Colette. I love her. She's amazing. Masakit ba, Dave? Not really. Ang pinakamasakit para sa akin, ito. Helix. Pero kasi weird yung tenga ko. Tingnan nyo. I have an earlop. Look at that. It's weird. I put a piercing here before. Tapos masyadong makapal kasi yung balat ko dito. So yung earring dito, it has to be like long. It wasn't long enough. So, natanggal siya. Tapos, ayun, nag-close na siya. Ayoko nang ulitin yun. Kasi parang, nung pineers siya, it's not like the typical puk. It was like, too freaking puk. It was like that. Kasi it's thick. So, sobrang sakit. Yung parang feeling ko mahihimatay ako. Ay! May teleserye ka ba ulit? Not yet, but I really want to act. Are you Poveda or AC? Guess. I would like you to guess if I am Poveda or if I was Poveda or AC. Nagda-diet ka balik sa food, ganon. No, pero hindi ako masyado talaga parang, pag nag-work ako, halos once a day lang ako kumakain. Ayoko rin, ewan ko, when I'm too preoccupied, I get too anxious. I don't really eat much. Gusto makaduet sa mayaw? Sarah G or Billy Crawford. Kahawig mo po si Florence Pugh. That is such a big compliment. Poveda. Yes. Thank you. I was from Poveda. Batch 2020. Sobrang love ko si Florence Pugh. Kaya salamat. Thank you for that. A lot of people say that. But a lot of people also said, I look like... Are you in college? Yes. LaSalle. Taft. Manila. Sino yun? Yung parang... May isa pang... Ang dami kong kamukha, I swear, as in. Ang dami nagsasabi. Ayan, you look like not my name quarterback. Sino ba yun? Ang dami nga nagko-comment niyan. Meron pa yung sa Kaplan High-Res. Parang, huy. Maputi lang talaga kami. Kaya kami magkakamukha. Pero hindi. Grabe, hands down, kaya showbiz and DLSU. Hindi ko na po kaya talaga, honestly. Like, today, I woke up with a sore throat and I didn't have a voice. So yeah, I'm not feeling well right now, honestly. But sabi ko, sige, I'll go live for a bit kasi sabi ko I'll be more active on TikTok again. Blush reveal. My blush is halo-halo yan. Actually, Spotlight Cosmetics, Haus Labs, Mario, Makeup by Mario. Makeup by Mario yung, ang tawag doon? Yung stick. Tapos yung powder, Spotlight, and Haus Labs. But not too much. Oh my gosh. Cream blush. Yes, that's what you call it. Guys, you know, ang dami kong makeup. Share ko lang. Excuse me? College program. Communication arts. I'm on my last term. Please pray for me that I pass. Pero share ko lang. What was I gonna talk about? Ano ba yan? Yung ADHD ko. What was I gonna talk about? Teka lang. Not my last term. Ewan ko. Nakalimutan ko. Kapatid mo sila Arjo Atayde. Yes po. There, about my makeup. Ang dami kong makeup. As in, like, addicted kasi ako sa, like, na-addict ako dati sa makeup. Pag bibili ng makeup. Tapos parang, ang dami kong binibili. Kasi, my skin is super, like, I break out a lot. It's just that ngayon, I'm on medicine for it. Pero, kaya gumanda yung balat ko. Pero like, sobrang lala nung pagbe-breakout ko before. So, ang hirap to find the right foundation, the right base makeups. It was all so hard. Kaya ang dami-dami kong makeup sa room ko na hindi ko nagagamit dahil, yun na nga, parang I found na the actual right makeup for me. Kaya, ayun, nandun lang siya. Skincare. My skincare is from my Derma. I have to edit a video, guys. It's so hard. Just ko Lord. I have to edit a video in a while. So, mabilis lang to. What's my lippy today? This is... The liner is Makeup Forever. The gloss is... Tarte. Yung Tarte na pinipindot. I forget what you call that. Ano tawag dun? My other lip gloss is also Dior. So yun. That's what I used today. Hair color reveal. This was just bleached and then toned. So hindi po talaga siya color. Like, there's no specific color for it. You look like Sienna Agudong from Sideline. Oh, diba? Parang, ang dami kong kamukha, guys. Sino ba talaga kamukha ko? Who do I look like? As in, everyone keeps saying different things. It's so funny. Primer, yung skincare ko na, yun na yung primer ko talaga. Basta from my Derma. Derma ko is... from Makati Med. Who is your closest to senior high? Can you guys guess? Who is my closest? Nasa house ka now? Yes, nasa house lang po ako. I'm gonna end this live in a while, guys. Okay? Because I have to do my schoolwork. Nag-live lang talaga ako saglit kasi I want to be more active here. Kasi nasa shadow ban ako palagi. For some reason. Paano ba? Kyle. Ang pinaka-close ko sa senior high talaga is... Ang hirap magsabi. Ang daming magtatampo. Teka lang. Galing mo mag-Tagalog. Salamat! Thank you so much. Pinaghirapan ko to, guys. As in, pinaghirapan ko to ng malala yung Tagalog ko. Pero hindi, kailangan ko pa ayusin. Sila na lang lahat. Sila na lang lahat. Honestly, ayokong magsabi ng isa kasi baka may magtampo, may magalit. But, Zijan, do you have upcoming projects? Wala pa, more drama, please. I know, right? Like, sobrang miss ko na umarte, guys. As in, I really, really, really want, like, I'm manifesting a project. So, please manifest it with me. I pray. I pray for more acting projects. You are glowing. Grabe face card mo. Di nakakasawa. Oh my gosh! Alam nyo, gusto ko mag-Maldita role talaga. Sobrang gusto kong maging kontrabida. Galing mo. Umarte, promise. May pinagmanahan talaga. Thank you so much. You know, sa acting, it's so hard for me to take compliments. As in, it's so hard kasi, yun nga, parang, I've only done 2, 3. Well, Bagman na hindi pa pinapakita. Pero, ayun, I've only done those projects that are out. And wala pa ako masyadong napapatunayan. Pero, kaya gusto ko nang I wanna work more and do more because, man, the things I wanna explore in acting, Maldita role, tas BFF kayo ni Cyril. I love working with that girl. I love Sai so much. You guys don't even know. She is my love. Hello, Miss Jella. You're so good at dancing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Though, if si Sai kasama ko, sobrang... That is a little bit pressuring because I am a fan. I'm a fan of Sai. Kaya natatameme ako minsan kay Sai. I remember when we were shooting High Street and Senior High. Sai and Zeej, actually. Sobrang... They're my childhood. So imagine, like, acting beside them. It's like, oh my gosh. I am genuinely a fan. So it's like, I have to turn off my fangirl mode. Do you speak Bisaya? Nakakaintindi ako pero hindi ako salita ng Bisaya masyado. But yeah, guys, as in, minamanifest ko more acting, like, things for me and projects because it's not that I don't want to dance anymore because I love dancing, but I want to act. I miss acting. I want to learn more. Ano pong ulam mo? I just had pares. How do you feel working with your mom in teleserye? Honestly, nakaka-pressure pero masaya. I mean, it was my sense of comfort rin siya kasi alam kong she's there to guide me. Yun. Manifest din namin na magka-project ka. Thank you. Salamat. Please, have you tried theater acting? Mahasa ka rin po doon. I was theater in high school. Kumakain ka po pala ng pares. Siyempre. What did you think? What did you think I eat? Bakit naman hindi? Bakit ako hindi kakain ng pares? Sobrang payat niyo na po. Bakit ang dami nagsasabi nun? Sorry, it's hard kasi for me to see. Ganun naman usually, diba? Na parang mahirap pa siyang makita sa sarili mo. Pero, thank you. I'm working on it. I wanna lose more weight. It's just really hard kasi I have PCOS. But yeah. I also really love watching you and Kyle work together. Of course, love working with Kyle. I mean, he's one of my... Naging kaibigan ko si Kyle bago pa ako mag-showbiz. So... I have PCOS too. How did you lose weight? It's so weird. When I wasn't trying, doon lang ako pumayat. Parang nung hindi na ako masyado when I wasn't stressing on my weight so much, that's when I started to lose weight. You are beautiful no matter what. Thank you. Thank you. K-drama Reco. Hindi kasi ako nanonood ng K-drama. Sorry. Okay, guys. I gotta go and work on school. Thank you for dropping by. I really just wanted to go live. Nadagdagan yung weight mo. Yes. Yes. Do you see yourself doing hosting? I am already hosting now. And yeah, I want to learn so much more in hosting. I would love to host. It's actually fun. Pero nakakapagod talaga siya. Ibang klaseng pagod siya. Respect. Respect sa mga hosts. Thank you for Jella. Thank you for your time. I'm gonna end this live soon. Live ka ulit pag may time ka, ha? Okay. I will try. Thank you, guys. Kailangan ko lang ayusin tong schoolwork na to because it's due tonight. So, bye-bye. Bye, guys.